And now, a video on how much Lonnie Clayton hates birds. Oh yeah! I hate birds! Oh yeah! I hate birds! Oh yeah! I hate them! Oh, I hope no one's home. I hate birds! Oh yeah! I hate birds! Hey, let's see if we can find a bird so I can sing to it. I can't get outside. There we go. I hate birds! I hate birds! I hope I don't disturb the neighbors. Hi, Dad. Anyways. Guess what? I hate birds! I saw a bird! I hate you! Ooh, I hate you, bird! Wherever you sleep, oh, there's a bird! Oh, I hate you! I hate birds!